Hey guys, my name is Crypto, and on this channel we'll talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today I have a super important video for everyone. It's gonna be a video about centralized exchanges and especially BITGET and different ways you can make money with that platform. With all the Binance FUD, with CZ leaving the CEO post, with all the different exchanges closing up, that's why today I'm gonna talk about my favorite exchange called BITGET. But before that, I need to remind you I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice, guys. Always do your research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
And just to start off, I wanted to mention some of the key factors of how big this exchange is and why I actually picked this exchange, because I think these bigger exchanges are safer bet than playing with the small exchanges that can close down doors at any time. So first of all, BITGET has a really high liquidity with an average of over 10 billion daily volume, which is a really big number. After that, they serve over 20 million users. Again, really huge number, and this number is growing all the time. Next up, and my favorite thing about BITGET, that they support over 550 different coins. And I talk about Kaspa all the time on this channel, and the main issue is everyone asking how to buy the token, because it's not on Bitcoin, because it's not on Binance, it's not on Coinbase. And in my opinion, BITGET really shines with all of these smaller coins. Next, it's really safe. And third, they have all the tokens, all the smaller tokens we talk about on this channel. And with these tokens, of course, you can make the biggest gains. That's why I think BITGET is a no-brainer at the moment. Next up, they have a really big team. They have over 1,600 employees in 60 countries, so they're global. And also, if you are a fan of soccer, they have Lionel Messi. They partnered up with one of the greatest soccer players of all time, so that's also something. And at the moment, they are one of top 4 exchanges in the world. So in my opinion, the facts are really bullish. But now let's jump into the platform, because in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you actually earn money inside the platform, because BITGET has lots of different products inside the platform where you can make money. So first of all, you need to sign up for the BITGET account, which is super easy. I will have a link in the description, so just click the link and register. Next, we will go to this button. You can see earn, and you can see how many different options they have. So now in this video, I'm gonna talk about the main ones. And of course, if you like the video, you can ask me in the comments and I can do more videos explaining all the different features of BITGET. And of course, how can you maximize your gains on these exchanges. So first of all, let's jump into the savings, because I think this is one of the easiest ways to actually do it. And it doesn't require lots of knowledge. So basically you can lock up your money and get APR. So you can see different coins. And this is again where they shine, because they have the smaller coins. They even have the Kaspa, which I talk a lot. You can see they have Grimace. So they have all of these main tokens, and you can see different APRs. And also you can see this APR next to USDT. If you click, actually it's only for the new users. So if you sign up, users who signed up within the last 7 days, so new users, if you create the account, you can actually lock up your USDT for 7 days period with APR of 30%, which is really big. And it's super easy. So if you have, for example, USDT tokens and you want to lock them up, you can choose flexible, you can choose 7 days or 14 days. So for example, let's click 14 days, which is I think a hot choice. Click subscribe. It's really easy. You get this form. You can put in how much money you're putting in. For example, 500. And you can see daily interest, how much you're getting, daily interest, increased profit. So they do all the math for you. You have all the information. And of course, you decide what to do with this information. You just click 7 days. It's 2.5%, same amount. You can see the amounts change. So it's a really easy product. And if you have some tokens that you're holding for longer, for example, Kaspa, you can see actually Kaspa sold out. I'm waiting for them to actually open it again. Because for example, I'm holding Kaspa for the long term. I don't want to sell it for a year. So just lock it up, get the percentage, and yeah, passive income. Next option, let's go to the next option, which is Shark Fin. And this is actually a really interesting one, and I'll explain you how it works. So first of all, you may ask, where is the name coming from? So first of all, you pick up the pairs. For example, USDT, BTC, we can click, and then we can see the shark. So this is the actual Shark Fin, and I will explain you what does it mean. So basically, you go to Shark Fin page and you can pick different pairs or different coins and bet on their movements. So there is 7-day period. You can see actually the product cycle, start a subscription, end subscription, and value time. So basically, if Bitcoin at the end of 7 days settles in this range, you can see the range between 34,000 and 39,000. You see the shark fin, and you can see this shark fin, and you can see the percentages. So the closer to 39,800 it closes, the more APR you get. And of course, if it closes higher or lower than this range, there's scenario 2, and you get 7% APR. So basically you win either way, but if you are right about the price movement and the closing price, you get more APR. I think it's pretty cool product. It's kind of fun, and you have lots of different options for Ethereum, Bitcoin. Also, you can see the durations. It's usually 7 days. You can also see the interest start date, and you can see the APR 7 to 10% for this one. They all have different APRs. Let's click, for example, Ethereum. Again, same thing. There's 2 scenarios. One scenario, if in the 7 days, this is like the range, Ethereum finishes up in this range, you get from 7 to 9%, and closer to this price, the more APR. And if it goes for scenario 2 and it's lower than this number or higher than this number, it's 7%. So it's pretty cool idea. Actually, before BitGet, I never seen this product. And I also plan to put my own money inside this platform and show you a few examples. So guys, please leave a like and comment for the next video. Maybe I'm gonna show you live how it all works and how much I'm making. Next up, let's go to some other products. For example, they have like really similar ones. For example, Smart Trend. So basically, again, it's really similar to Sharkfin, but you guess the trends, and you can see they have bullish trend and bearish trend. Again, we can see the APRs. What's good about BitGet, that they're super transparent and they do the math for you. So usually just put in the amount and you can see how much you can win, how much you can lose, which I really like because I think it makes it way more beginner friendly than other platforms. So for example, Bitcoin bullish. Okay, we can see again 7 days. We can see APRs from 4% to almost 22%. Let's click this. Usually, actually, when these pools are open, there's a button subscribe. So right now you can see different scenarios. We have 3 scenarios this time. So scenario number 1, if the Bitcoin closes down below 38,500, so we get a 4.5% APR. Scenario 2, if the Bitcoin is almost like a shark fin, again, the higher it goes, the more you get. If it closes below 43,000, you can see you get from 4.4 up to 21. The closer to the 43,000, the more you get. And if it closes at above 43,000, you get 21.41%. Again, guaranteed gains. You can see guaranteed. And again, you decide if you think Bitcoin is bullish. You can see this trend, you can bet on this trend, and of course, the higher the Bitcoin goes, the more APR you get. In my opinion, again, really great product, again, super transparent. You can see all the information about interest start date. You can also see the minimum bet. And again, I think really great product for the beginners because it's guaranteed gains. It's really easy rules. You don't have to overcomplicate stuff, and you can start earning passive income, which is always a good thing. Next thing I really like about BitGet, if we go to copy, it's copy trading. And I think copy trading is really good feature for all the new traders, for traders who are just starting, because you can copy professional traders' bets. And they made it super easy. You can see futures copy trading, elite copy trading, and you can see different results of other traders, and you can copy their trades. So for example, let's click this, the algo trader person. You can see all the information, the performance. You can see the followers, the orders, and of course you can check all this information and decide for yourself, do you want to copy or not? But if you copy, I think it's a good way to actually learn and see what are the professionals doing, why they're doing, and this way learning yourself and becoming a better trader. So first of all, in this video, I just mentioned few of the options you can make money with BitGet, but of course they have way more options. You can see the bots. There's way more information about actual copy trading. And if you are a great trader, actually other people can copy your trades. And if you click earn, you can see how many different options they have. They have Launchpad, Launch Pool, Wealth Management, Loans. They have so many different options. So guys, I will leave all the links in the description. So please use my link in the description to join BitGet because this helps the channel. And of course, if you have any questions about today's video, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram groups. It'll be in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and follow for part 2.
Get money.